and welcome back to another vlog. So today we are gonna do a Pani Puri challenge, okay? So here we have 15 Pani Puris each. I know that 15 Pani Puris are not enough, but I cannot eat more than 10, I must say. So 15 is enough. So we have 15 each. And then what are we gonna do?
Let's do the challenge.
So we're gonna do the challenge and let's see who wins it. I'm sure he's going to win it because he's just used to eating all these stuff, but I'm not.
No, because basically we used to eat, in a plate in the streets of Mumbai, we used to get like 7 pieces on each plate. So 7 is the maximum I've tried. 10 pieces to the max in one shot.
Let's see.
What I can do.
Let's see. So, but there is some rules that you need to fill each and everything. Like it should not be like you just need to fill the puri and the pani puri.
But I'll not use the sweet one. I don't.
You
like
need to
the
use
sweet
like
one.
at least a little, at least for the sake that we need to have a same time.
I don't used to take.
You should have a little. It is the rule.
Always.
So what you need to do?
One.
The first thing is this one, the chickpeas.
Come on, I know.
And then the next.
I know the way.
Okay, so tell me. I don't know.
First, you have to put the ragda. It's called ragda.
Okay.
Then you use both of the sauces.
Okay.
One is a pudina chutney and the other one is an imli chutney, a sweet chutney.
Okay.
And on top of it, if you want to put...
Not if you want to, we have to.
No, it's not necessary. It's
that
not
is how we
needs,
both need the time to be the same.
Okay, then you have to put onions.
And both.
Save, it's not necessary.
Save is also necessary.
Save is at the end of the puri. You can make it as well,
As what? You need to fill everything. That is the rule.
Save, okay? They don't use save in the pani puri.
See, you don't need to have a lot of this. You can even use 2 pieces. It's just for the time.
Okay,
like when you, the quantity it's upon you, but you need to use each and everything.
Okay.
So, can we get started? Okay, but we need to open this up, right? Or
yes.
We'll
yes,
do
of
it.
course you have to do like this. Press it.
Now or later.
Multiple times.
Now or later.
I think better. We.
No, on the time. On the time.
Yes, better.
Okay. So, 1, 2. Okay. Okay. I cannot eat with this scarf. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Loser.
There's one left. Not a big deal. He was born, brought him in Mumbai, and it would be much better,
It's not about.
It would be much better,
born
but
and brought up in
still,
Mumbai. You had a couple of times in Bombay, the Pani Puri.
So,
right?
so.
Yes, so it's not about born and brought up issues.
Okay, so I'm gonna have the last one.
Yeah, it is spicy. Now I'm feeling that,
Yes, it is spicy.
spiciness, all over my mouth. The table is a complete mess, and that's her final piece of puri.
Yo.
Here it goes. That was the final shot. Still, you're a loser.
It's okay.
You lost.
So we have some ragda patties as well over here.
You have to mention that I made it.
Okay, you made it.
That's my special.
Okay, so I taste it.
How was it?
Nice.
Not nice, say wonderful.
No, it's nice.
Say it's amazing.
It's amazing.
It's delicious.
It's delicious.
Fantabulous.
Fantabulous. Good one.
This is your chance, to say something about my
My?
cooking expertise.
Not always good, but this time it's good.
What do you mean, not always good? It's always
Who
comes
wants
with-
this? Okay, I'm gonna have this. We are having the leftover peacefully. The ragda patties was nice.
I'm making the final shots with suka puri. This is something you should eat after a pani puri plate. Basically, this serves in Mumbai. They used to serve suka puri after each plate. I don't know whether anyone had a suka puri.
So
This is amazing.
this is amazing.
Pani puri is life.
You know what I used to study in college?
Every day, every single day. After my college, I goes to this place, where I used to find this, a guy, a UP wala guy. No, he used to serve the best pani puri, I used to get it, from his place. They serve.
If you guys are interested to see such videos, like such challenge videos of both of us together, and he rarely get into the camera, he's not into this.
I'm very
So-
bad in front of camera, so please.
So if you are interested to see, do let me know in the comment box below, and see you soon with another video. Bye bye.